Got into a car accident that wasn't your fault? You could get your car fixed and maybe even a rental without paying a dime. But only if you know what to do next. Let's break it down. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you step by step how to claim insurance after a not-at-fault accident in the US, simply and clearly. Step 1. Gather evidence. Take photos of the damage, the other car's license plate, and the accident scene. If there are witnesses, get their contact info. This will help prove you weren't at fault. Step 2. File a police report. Next, file a police report. This official report helps the insurance companies decide who was at fault. Ask for a copy, you'll need it later. Step 3. Notify your insurance company. Even if it's not your fault, call your insurance company. Tell them what happened and share all the evidence. They can guide you and may help you get your car fixed faster, even if the other driver's insurance is responsible. Step 4. File a claim with the at-fault driver's insurance. Now, you'll need the police report, photos, their insurance info, a repair estimate. They should cover car repairs, a rental car, and possibly medical bills. Step 5. Know your rights. Remember, you have rights. You don't have to accept the first repair shop they suggest. You can choose your own. Also, if they delay or deny the claim unfairly, you can file a complaint with your state's insurance department. Step 6. Use your own coverage, if needed. Sometimes, it's faster to use your own collision coverage than let your insurance get reimbursed from the other company. This is called subrogation. You might need to pay your deductible up front, but you could get it back later. Not-at-fault claims can feel stressful, but if you follow these steps, you'll be back on the road in no time. Collect evidence. File the police report. Notify your insurer. File with the other company. Know your rights. Are you not covered yet and looking for a trusted provider? One of the best platforms to get insurance for yourself or your business is Next Insurance. They offer coverage at an affordable price that is tailored to practically every industry in the USA. You can check them out with the link in the description below the video and the pinned comment as well and get a quote today. The full review of Next Insurance is also linked down in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.